Okay, this has to be the biggest food bank trip I think we have had to date. We got this enormous chocolate cake. That's exactly what we needed, and quite a bit of beef. Got some really random stuff to show you, but sometimes it pays to go late, like when they're wrapping up, because if a lot of people don't come, then they have a lot of stuff that's just gonna go bad. So sometimes it doesn't, because then you hardly get anything. But today, it worked out. So, but we do have lots of little random snacks. Flaming hot puffs. My husband likes the flaming regular ones, flaming hot Cheetos. Got a couple of those. What's hard with kids is when you just get like 2 of one item that mom refuses to buy. They tend to fight over it, so I have to like be careful. But I let everyone see. I never liked these, but I'm being converted. They're great for thickening up soups, just adding to your potatoes. Here's your classic canned good box. Got some tuna in there. Some Hunt's. I actually like this. I know it's the cheap kind. That's what I grew up with because we were poor too. Yeah, and this is awesome. I have a video on this. I'll try to link it below. I make my favorite pumpkin pie, like my recipe, and this is almost as good. Not quite, but almost as good. Got 2 of those, good. Fruit cocktail, classic. Got some masa and some lentils. More chicken for chicken sandwiches. I think this is all beans. I'll spare you going through all of it. And I like the milk. I know a lot of people pass on this, but if you're low on money, like and you bake a lot, don't bake with like good fresh milk. Use this. So, I mean, kids can taste the difference. They don't want shelf-stable milk, but you can use it for baking. No one's gonna know. Got some oil. Let's see, hominy. This is really good in like a chicken tortilla soup. Not a lot of people take that, and so I'm like, I can't afford to be picky, so I just take it. I'm gonna hide that. My kids have had too much homemade. They don't appreciate, like a good millennial does, a rice-a-roni box. They don't like it, so I'm gonna eat it. One ramen noodle for a family of 7. Just add it to the pile. What's this? Broth. Ooh, some more special snackies. Save those for the 2-year-old. You never know what random things. Vanilla baking melts. I bet we got a bunch of holiday candy that it's already gone. It got pulled out of here, but we got gumdrops, this, and some like red, white, and green M&Ms. Pasta sauce, peanut butter, canned salmon. A lot of people don't want to take this, and that's such a good protein. You can find recipes to make that palatable. I like doing like crab cakes, but I do salmon cakes. It's so good. 2 bags of rice. More snackies. They found out I like bubble water. Yay. So I get those. More flaming hot. Oh, the crunchy kind. Hide that for hubby. More flaming hot. Popcorn. More salmon. You can do that. Oh, our local fire station, the old fire chief, he used to do for our salmon festival. Oh, that'll be handy. He would make smoked salmon chowder. That is good. I should get his recipe because he doesn't do it anymore. He retired. Corn, more fruit. Is this cane sugar? Yeah. Granulated. Yay, usually we get powdered. I've got boxes and boxes of powdered sugar. I need ideas for that besides frosting. I'll show you this later. This is like the random thing that I got. You'll have to watch to the end. Frozen peaches. And this brand, I don't know if you can get it where you are, but these peaches are so good. Probably the best peaches I've ever had, frozen or canned. Oh, and I got into this already. Frozen potatoes. Just diced. They're so handy to have. Lots of meat this week. Let's see, what is this? Pork chops. big thing of pork chops. I don't know if I've said anything on here lately, but we still have our foster baby. So more pork chops. We have a family of 7 at the moment. So if I was like a 1-person household, I wouldn't get this much, but it's because there's 7 of us and they know my kids. So we get a little extra spoiling. Fish. I think these are pollock. They've had lots of pollock lately and it's really good. I would say it's similar to cod. Okay, so this bag is pretty heavy. It's full of radishes and parsnips, which are really good in a chicken pot pie. I have found out Gordon Ramsay, I guess that's one of his things he always has to have in a chicken pot pie. And I think at the bottom is a bunch of little mandarin oranges. I won't dump that out, but it's full. Got some bread. For a while we weren't getting any bread. So some like big Subway loaves. Oh, these look like angel food. No, pound cake. I think these are like little angel food. Like shortcakes, she said. Hamburger buns. More peaches. Yay! And then I got this tiny little thing. This might have to be like a date night snack. Short ribs. Just a little tiny packet. And then 2 things of burger. Very, very rarely get beef these days, but I got 3 things of it. Very, very happy. Let's see. More peaches. Lots of peaches this trip. I am not going to complain. They will get eaten. Oh, and that's lunch meat. Frozen turkey. Nice. But I had to wash my hands. That turkey dripped all over me. It wasn't sealed. I'll have to figure out if we're going to eat that or not. Wow, several big. And I think they're just right. I should probably eat them right this second. Or in 2 minutes, they're going to go bad. Wow, they are perfect. Got some oranges, some cans of pears. What kind of bread is this? Double fiber. Whew, it's not what I need today. When we got into the bagels, I can see someone wasn't going to wait for that. Dos Hermanos Bakery. Nice. But that's good. The sesame bread. I don't know if you guys have ever shopped at a Mexican, like, little bodega. They usually have really fun. I like to buy empanadas. That's my little treat. And then we got a cake. Oh my goodness. Told you today was bonkers. That's a lot of stuff to go through. Baking mix, good for biscuits and things. Wee bag of coffee. More bubble waters. Yay, I love those. Tomato sauce. It's kind of a treat when you are on a budget. Nice. Looks like maybe they couldn't sell it because it got somewhat opened. Thai wheat noodles. I wonder if those should be in the fridge. That looks like a fridge item to me. Oh, forks. That's not something you get every time. Noodles. Nice, another baking mix, which is good because I'm out of pancake mix. Yeah, that is insane. I've never had that much stuff, you guys. Okay, I'm going to show you. They tried to give me several of these full, but I was like, I don't know, I can eat a huge bag of beets. I'm going to dump this out so I can sort them. Oh my. But they had like huge bags of onions. All these, I think these are the orange beets or the golden beets, which are really good. And I just like the color. They look real pretty sliced. And potatoes. So I could have grabbed a whole, like, what are they, 50-pound bags, 20-pound bags of beets. But I don't like beets. There's only one dish I make, and it's with onions, beets, and potatoes, and a big pork roast. And you cook it all down, and it has more salt than anyone should ever have. Oh, and I don't know if I showed those. T-bones. Wow. No, I can't afford T-bones, that's for sure. Oh my goodness, guys. Well, let me know what you do with beets and way too much powdered sugar.